ride with us.
And action. It is your main man T with Arizona Riders Club. Let's start it off right. Ride with us. All right, let's check this out, man. I'm going to give you a quick little rundown on what we're looking at today. We got a couple cars. We've got this Porsche. What is it? What is it called? Not a Panamera, but a Cayenne. Is it a Porsche Cayenne? Yes, sir. Porsche Cayenne. Looking good. Haven't really jumped in, leather all through that there. T-Bird, my bad, Firebird. I love those body styles, man. Some regular schmegulars, Ford Edge, Nissan Versa, Ford Taurus, or is that a 500? Not 100% sure. Pontiac G6, that Lexus RX 350, I believe. You know, I've been in this game too long, man, when I'm just spouting them off. Mini Cooper, hybrid Ford Escape. And ended off with a F-150, y'all. Check it out. But I got my eye on that Dodge Dart back there. I got a Dodge Nitro, too. Those things are mini Hummers, mini Hummer 3s. I like them. Let's go take a look at this Dodge Dart, though. This is the one I got my eye on. I try to keep them under 150K. 150,000 miles, but I mean, sometimes they're so clean, you just got to get in it. You know what I'm saying? Let's take a look. Interior, looking a little rough around the edges, but got some custom rims on it. Love that paint job. Let's hop in, see what's going on, see if this thing will start up. Oh, it's dead. Y'all know what I say, man. You know what? They left the key in the ignition. I don't know if this is a ploy by some of these cats to kind of try to get it for a better price or what, or maybe they're just careless. But if you're out here looking at vehicles, make sure you take the key out of the goddamn ignition, man. T's trying to get in here and see what's cracking. I might hit this with the jump box just to be on the safe side because I'm liking that paint job. Dodge Dart looks pretty slick. What y'all think? Pretty nice, eh? All right, I'll get back with y'all. We got 1,000 cars to look at today, man. So, whew. We gonna get it done now. You know who it is. T, Arizona Riders Club. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Ride with us.
Ghostblade.